Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to get your recovery phrase on Trust Wallet. First of all, you can open the Trust Wallet. I can already open the Trust Wallet, and after opening the Trust Wallet, you can just simply go to the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can now tap on Wallets, and after this you can just simply click on the three dots at the right side of the screen that is next to the main wallet. After this you can now tap on manual. You can just simply take these three options, and after taking you can now tap on continue, and after continue you can see your recovery phrase, and it is the way you can get recovery phrase on Trust Wallet. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.